Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Ultra 2 and today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. So let's get started. Before we start, if you want to take a screenshot on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now go to the screen you want to capture on your watch. For example, I'm gonna open, let's say, some application. Let's say calendar. And then to take a screenshot, you need to press the down button and select button together. And once you press them together, you will see the animation and information check on your phone. That's why your watch needs to be paired with a phone, because to see the screenshots, to save them, you need the phone. It will save them on the phone, not on the watch itself. So once you open the Zepp application on your phone, you will see the message saying that you need to allow some permissions for the screenshots to work. It disappeared, so I'm gonna repeat the process. I'm gonna take a screenshot. And here we have the pop-up. You need to tap on Got It, allow the required permission. And once you allow it, you can take a screenshot again. As you can see, it says it's been saved in Photos, and now you can browse your screenshots. So if you open the Photos app, go to Collections and Screenshots. It should be somewhere here, but it's not. Interesting. Oh, it's here. So it's not in Screenshots, it's in on this device, and you can open it right here. Okay. And basically that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.